Are you guys thinking about buying a carport? Well, the one behind me is one to consider. This was delivered by freight. I had it installed in about a day, maybe a little bit, a day and a half, and you could pretty much do it by yourself. There's only one part of the installation process that you might need a second helping hand to get the roof onto the sides. Now, the carport is made out of a powder-coated black aluminum, very strong. You have cross beams on the sides and the top, and you also have these legs that you bolt down to the ground so that way it will be secured and it's not going to go anywhere. Now, there is pre-drilled holes along the bottom in case you were going to install this on a concrete pad. You could basically lag it right down to the concrete. But in this case, it's installed right here and dirt. And I was able to take mobile home anchors and install it directly on the corners, and this is not going anywhere. As I stated before in the beginning, this has been installed for a year now. We've had plenty of storms and it hasn't moved an inch. Now, the top is a metal, and to install it, you overlap it, and there's weatherproof stripping that comes with the kit to make sure nothing leaks on the inside. The nice feature about this carport is that the center is 13 feet high. So if you did have a camper or maybe a heavy equipment piece that you want to get out of the weather and protect it from the sun and the rain, you'll be able to back it in here with no problem. I store a 20-foot boat and a 12-foot cargo in here with ease, and there's still plenty of room on the sides of it for me to get around with no problems. If you are going to be buying one thing I will tell you, make sure that the ground you are going to be installing it is almost completely flat, so that way there is no issues when you are putting this together. Take your time, read the instructions, and also make sure you have that helping hand when you want to attach the roof. If you are somebody that is looking for a carport, why not go out, grab this one today? You're not going to be disappointed. Again, I know I'm not. I've had it for a year. It's going to be here for a lot longer. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.